La verdad es que estamos muy contentos de poder compartir esta mañana con vosotros. Como ya sabéis, este año seguimos trabajando con el P y hoy hemos tenido la oportunidad de poder compartir con vosotros una experiencia más de la exposición. En esta nos juntamos alumnos, maestros y familias como elementos esenciales del P y queremos mostraros nuestra autonomía y responsabilidad en nuestro propio aprendizaje.
Os habéis oído hablar del P, de las unidades de indagación. Os hemos dado hojas de reflexión. Bueno, pues hoy os vamos a explicar un poco qué es todo esto, en qué ha consistido y cuáles han sido nuestras sensaciones.
Belgium was a member of the EU since 1958. The official currency is the euro. The capital of Belgium is Brussels. Belgium borders with France, Germany, Luxembourg and Denmark, and the Netherlands.
I learned a lot of things about the European Union and about the rights and duties of the citizens.
I really like this activity because I learned new things about other countries of the European Union.
What do you think about the activity?
Actually, it was very interesting because we had the chance to share with them some reflections about duties and rights, because there were some rights that were well known by everybody in the house.
Separate with different colors.
Yeah.
It's what is the reason for you? Is it the way that the teacher will evaluate the kids?
Su propósito básico era refinar la fe en los derechos humanos fundamentales, en la dignidad y el valor de la persona humana.
El vídeo trata básicamente de que todos hemos nacido, de todas las personas del mundo hemos nacido con un derecho humano, aunque alguien nos quiera que los demás, eso nadie te lo puede quitar.
El desde es un cuento que habla sobre todos los derechos humanos. Esto se explica con 30 pequeñas historias, la cual una de ellas está enlazada con un derecho humano.
De una mujer que estaba abusando de sus sirvientes, pero un día se transformó en una sirvienta, se puso en lugar de ellos y le costó un montón trabajar en la cocina y pues supo que era mejor no hacer esas cosas porque están sufriendo.
What is a road trip? A road trip is a route from one place to another by a wheeled transport.
The colors we have chosen for our flag are blue for the grounds, green for the 5 lines, and white for the 4 lines. Green means prosperity, that means a positive work. Blue means freedom, that means that you're free doing whatever you want. And white means a piece that represents harmony, and it's the symbol of our flag.
Here is my house constitution, and I am going to read what I have put on Mom and Dad rights and rights of the children. Mom and Dad rights are: know the education the children receive at school, know who children's friends are, know who the parents of children's friends are. And the rights of the children are: get a good education at school, that our parents help us, and go to school and don't go to school if we feel bad.
We didn't choose the colors for a coat of arms because they look good together, but because of what they meant. The art teacher gave us an image, the one you can see here, of the colors and their meanings. With this, we decided the colors that our coat of arms were going to wear. The ones that represented our class the better.